Hello, I'm Parsa. In this video, I'll be introducing you to a member of the Acrom Smart Motion Devices, or SMD product family, the SMD Red, which is used to build robotic systems. First, let me show you the main components of the SMD products. The gateway board, which connects the SMD system to a PC or a microcontroller. The main communication cable between the gateway and the SMD Red driver board, RJ11. A brush DC motor driver board, a brush DC motor preferably with an encoder, an additional optional SMD sensor module. Here you can see our joystick module. A standard RJ45 Ethernet cable used for communication between the SMD driver board and all the sensor modules. And finally, a DC power adapter to supply power to all the components. You can use a computer to develop and run your applications, or you can just use a microcontroller such as Raspberry Pi or Jetson. In this video, we'll use a computer. Now let's walk through on how to connect all these components. To connect the motor to the SMD, we use the screw terminals here. Let's connect the communication cable for the motor driver module and the sensor module. Plug in the gateway module into your PC. One of the key features of the SMD system is its reliable connections, which help minimize cable-related issues. The SMD products receive power directly through the motor driver module. Each module has two DC input sockets, one on each side. Plug the power adapter into socket to power up the system. You'll notice the green LEDs light up on the modules. Once we connect the gateway module to the computer, we are ready to begin programming. That brings us to the end of this video. In the next video, I'll introduce you to the PC software. See you later.